to my channel. This video is going to be a part of a 3-part series all dealing with the laundry room. Today is going to be all about how you can transform your laundry room and make it over for under $300. And then 2 other videos that are part of this series is dealing with pets and making your laundry room pet friendly as well. And then I have another video that's going to be all about laundry organization and laundry hacks. So be sure to check that out. But today is going to be all about making over the laundry room. I will say that this is not an extreme makeover. This is a simple, a quick, a easy, and affordable do-over. So it's definitely renter friendly. It's not going to be drastic and it's not going to be extreme. But you guys know, if you have followed me along, that we have huge DIYers. If you did not know that, then make sure you subscribe as well as click that notification bell so you get notifications, as well as follow me on all my social media channels, because that way you get to know me and I talk to you guys all the time. But yes, we're huge DIYers. We have redone so many rooms. We've built my custom closet. We've redid a kitchen. We've built kitchen islands. We've done huge projects. So I'm to the point where I'm tired, okay? I'm tired, I need a break. But my laundry room wasn't up to par. It wasn't functioning like I needed to function. It just was no appeal to it. So I wanted to make over the laundry room without building anything, something that I could do quick and simple and be done, because I'm tired, okay? I need a break. But I probably will come back in the future, maybe a few months or maybe next year, and actually custom build my laundry room out. You know, remove all the wire shelving and replace with some custom builds. But that'll be in the future when I have a little bit more time on my hands. But right now I just needed something to make this room more appeasing and more functional. So that's what today's goal is about. I'm obsessed with mint right now. I really don't know why, but blue has always been my favorite color. But this year, I'm really obsessed with like mint. The color mint and teal. I just really like them. So that's the color I wanted to do in my laundry room. I wanted to do teal, and teal's also kind of associated with clean and, you know, water and bubbles and, you know, all of that. But that's the color thing for the room. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you the before and then we'll move on to redecorate this room with a few $100. So this is how the laundry room looks at the moment. You guys know we just moved in a few months ago, so we have been decorating the house. So the laundry room, poor thing, you know, we just really hadn't had time to do anything with it. So now it's time to add some functionality to it. Starting with rearranging. I do have 2 dogs, so we do have dog pads. I'm gonna do an entire video. So if you wanna find out more about that, be sure to check that video out. I'm gonna go ahead and change out this light to brighten the space. I'm using these natural light bulbs since this room does not have any windows. So the next thing we're doing is we're adding in some cabinetry. I found this cabinetry on Amazon. I will leave a link below. I really love this cabinet. It's so cute because not only does it store things, but the color is perfect for the laundry room because that's the kind of look I'm going for, mint and sand. And inside the drawers you can put in shelvings wherever you want, so I love that too. And now moving on to removing everything from my shelves. Of course, you know, with redecorating, you gotta take everything down. I purchased these storage boxes from Target. They are, I think, great for hiding, like, I was looking explicitly for like big boxes that could hide things, especially like bleach bottles and detergent bottles, but still not be completely, like, you can still kind of see through it. I'm gonna come back later and add tags to these baskets. I just didn't have the time right now, but I am gonna come back and do that in the future. But I think these baskets is perfect because they're sturdy, they're strong enough to hold big bleach bottles and detergent bottles, and I just really like the colors. So next I'm gonna hang up this laundry cosign that I found from Kirkland's. It was on sale as well. I like to hang these with thumbtack. Thumbtack is your best friend, especially for renters or even homeowners, because I used them in my last home and I didn't have holes in my walls because I used thumbtacks or command strips. So moving on to this decor, this is wall art that you just stick on. It's like vinyl and it peels on and off super easy, guys. Super easy. I love this. Love this. If you can't paint your walls, like for us, we can't paint our walls right now because we're still under warranty with our home, and so like we can't touch the walls until after 11 months in. So this was a great alternative. If you guys have not looked into it, you definitely should, especially if you're a renter. It's perfect for adding color to your walls without having to paint them. Now I'm gonna add some more paintings to my wall, but again, because like I'm trying to save money, I'm gonna make these DIY canvas paintings. And for this one, it's just 2 colors and you're using a cup. I'm using the top part of a cup and the bottom part to form different bubbles, because it's gonna be like a bubble type of effect painting. And I use 2 different color blues, and I just really think it looks really cute in here because it just adds like a watery effect. And then I also picked up this blue framed painting from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale like 50% off. I got that for a few bucks. And then I'm gonna create another DIY painting. It's super easy, guys, super easy. I did 3 colors, a blue, a mint, and a white. And I just literally like blended them together to make like this little effect. I did this painting before in my old house, and I think it turned out great, and it matches the colors, and it kind of just brings everything together. And I also got this other painting from Michael's, and that was on sale too, this laundry painting. The next thing I'm gonna add to the room is a rug. This is a rug by a company called Ruggable, and I have to say, guys, what turned me on for this type of rug, I could've got a cheap rug, yes. And these aren't super cheap, but the reason is because they're washable. These are rugs, they're 2 pieces. You got the bottom piece that sticks to the floor, then you have the top cover that you can actually interchange out. So if you get tired of this one, you can go purchase a different top cover. And as you can see, I'm dancing on it to test it out to see if it's moving, and it does not move. Now, me having dogs in here, this was perfect. So I will leave a link for this rug below if you guys want to check that out. Okay, so this mirror mint cup I actually picked up from Kirkland's on sale, and then I got 2 blue flowers from Michael's. They were also on sale in their spring sale, and I think this just makes for a perfect decor to bring in some color. And then I'm gonna add this tray. This tray was from my last DIY video. If you have not saw that, I will link it below. And so I also purchased this mint dotted bowl from Ross. I think it was maybe $5 or $6. And I think it just adds a great pop of color. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it yet, but I think it's just great though to add a pop of color, and I'll eventually find what I wanna put in it. But yep, this is how it turned out. I really, really love it. And I love the blues, the textures, and I love the sand. Storage rack, again, this is definitely renter friendly. It's definitely easy, it's simple, and it's a super quick makeover without having to go to the extremes. You know, if you're not able to, if you don't feel like it, or whatever the reason is. If you like the turnout, if you like any of my projects that I included, be sure to give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment on what you think about the laundry room makeover. I'm super excited to see what you guys think. And don't forget to go ahead and head over and check out the other 2 videos that's in this 3-part series, including how I make this room also pet friendly because I have 2 dogs. And I also am going to share some laundry organization hacks. I will see you guys in those videos.